Okay, so actually nagkakilala kami sa work. Nagkaroon kami ng team outing sa company namin before. Sa POV niya, nagkita daw kami sa Petron. Nung nabanggit niya sa akin na nakita niya daw ako doon sa Petron habang naglalakad ako, parang naanong ka din siya, parang na-side eye ko din siya at that time. So, moving forward, parang 2 years from that time, nagkaroon kami ng reunion. Doon kami ulit nagkita. And then, thankfully, it was the right time and the right moment. After ng reunion namin, ayun, inaya ko lang siya kumain sa labas. Ang lalaki naman, di ba, parang yun at yun lang, kumbaga. Kung parang pag inaya ko siya, may plano ako sa kanya.
From the very start ng relationship namin, gusto ko po siya na talaga. Siya yung first ko po kasi na boyfriend. And very thankful po ako. Siguro during our dating years po, nakita ko kung gaano siya ka-patient sa lahat ng bagay. Lalo na po sa akin. Sa lahat ng misunderstandings or may mga sasabihin ako na, love, i-improve mo naman to. Love, pwede mo bang gawin to? Kasi dito ko na-feel love. Eh. Parang ginagawa niya yung best niya para pasayahin ako. So, i-improve niya yung sarili niya.
For me, ang pinaka-decisive moment ko talaga was nung first time kaming nagkita ni Joy sa Somo, nung nag-dinner date kami. For me kasi, ang pinaka-importante sa akin, hindi ko alam kung same kami with the other people, but for me, I would know na siya talaga, si Joy talaga, kapag kaya ko siyang patawanin, naturally. Yun yung, for me, something special na kung kaya ko siya patawanin, ibig sabihin, very compatible ka. Okay na nga ba ito yun? To my soon-to-be husband, in a few minutes or maybe hours, I can't wait to see you and be your wife for real. I love you and enjoy the gift. Your Joy. Thank you.
Alam kong magagamit mo ito everyday and happy ako pag gano'n. I love you and I promise to give you the best in everything, starting with this. Dyson Cura ang name niya. Yours, Shin. Oh, grabe. Bakit ito?
The best talaga yung binigay ng Panginoon para sa iyo, anak. Lalo na rin kay Hero, wala akong masabi kay Hero. Napakabait niya. Mabait siya, kaya talagang sila ay binigay ng Panginoon para sa isa't isa. Love you, anak. God bless you.
We'll start with just the two of us. And eventually, it will grow and grow. And of course, alam ko, magkakaroon ka ng maraming hardships along the way. And that's why ako naman gusto kong maging a complete man that can be a good provider, a good emotional partner for you, as in kaya kang tulungan sa kahit anong bagay. Would really acknowledge anything that you would want to share. Basta maging very best partner in life to you. So, kung anumang hardships na madadaanan mo in the future, tandaan mo, lagi ako nandito para sa iyo. Kasi panghabang buhay tayong dalawang magkasama.
Lovey, andito na tayo and thank you so much kasi napagdaanan mo lahat ng parang mga conflicts or mga mga hardships natin, hindi lang between us, kundi pati sa everyone around us. Masaging stronger tayo through that and I'm just so excited na I will get to spend my future with you. Ayun.
love. Here we are. I always remember the first time we went out for coffee. And I didn't even know you didn't drink coffee back then. But you invited me to a coffee shop because you knew I liked it. We shared stories, jokes, and food. And we even watched a K-drama. It all felt so easy. With you sitting across from me, in that corner, I knew then that my heart was at peace with you. You felt like home. And now indeed, you are my home. You are the most selfless, calm, understanding, funny, and handsome monkey I've ever known.
Maranatha and the Hirusi, it was God who instituted marriage. That is why it is written in the Word of God that marriage is to be respected or to be honored by all. And what God has joined together, let no one separate both of them.
I asked her on a date. We went to a park. We talked and laughed a lot. This was the first time I felt too comfortable with another person. Within my heart, I knew that I have found my soulmate, my sing. You were indeed perfect as I have thought. Looking back, love, it was... Okay ka lang. It was the best night of my life. Standing now in front of you as your husband, I want you to know that I will always support you, help you, comfort you, and always choose to love you with all of my heart. I will always be and will try to be the best person I can be to you, for you.
Along your way as husband and wife, it is my prayer na inyong matagpuan ito, inyong maranasan, so that appreciation and glory be given back to our God.
I love that you are the one, and in fact, I'm so lucky that you are the one. Do you know why I often ask you, why do you love me? It's not because I question your love for me, but because your love is so unwavering and unconditional that it makes me wonder why. You have seen my flaws and imperfection, yet you still choose to love me. I promise to never take this love for granted. I promise to always be your number one supporter too in everything that your heart desires. You're my number one supporter, but I will always be your number one fan.
You always ask me, why do I love you? I always answered, it's because I can always make you laugh, even in some of our darkest nights. What I haven't told you is because you bring so much joy to my heart every day. You are my light, the one who brightens even the darkest days. You are the reason my life is full of meaning, and every moment with you is a gift. I love you so much, my wife, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Yeah. Hero, wala akong masabi sa kanya. Very supportive si Hero kay Joy. So, tonight, let's celebrate their as their newlywed.
I'm grateful to God for giving me a daughter na ngayon siya ay nakasal na. Purihin po ang Panginoon sa buhay niya na kung saan nag-guide namin siya sa direksyon ng ating Panginoon. At I'm so happy with Hero na na-meet niya. I love you, Hero, na ngayon isa ka ng aking manugang.
Tagalog ka rin? Buwa ka na. Pero ang ano niya sa akin is to make a speech for the groom and bride. So, first, sabi niya nga, thank you for coming here tonight. It's nice to see fresh face or big family kasi nga hindi naman malaki yung family namin. You have to always communicate, talk to each other, positive or negative man siya.
Ngayon, Joy, at magkasama na kayo ni Shin. Welcome to my family. So, tawag mo na sa akin ngayong mama. Kung pwede, mami, para kumari mayaman na ako. Ang hinihiling ko lang, bilisan niyo magkaroon ng baby kasi sabi ko, Joy, gumawa na kayong bata.
Ang bilis ng panahon, nandito na tayo ngayon. Nandito na tayo sa table with all of your loved ones. So, cheers again to Joy and Hero. Kiss naman dyan ulit.
So, congrats sa inyong dalawa. We are very happy, very proud. You made her happy.
Yeah.
So, thank you, Hero. Welcome to the family.
Ako naman, ang masasabi ko, grabe tong dalawang to. Magiging successful tong dalawang to as a married couple. And we're looking forward sa future nyo together at sa mga little Joy and Heroes. Woo!
I'm just really happy that the two of you were able to find each other. I know that you'll walk this journey side by side together, full of love. I'm just very happy for the two of you. Congratulations. And yeah, we're always here for you together.
This bouquet is for you, ma. Kasi I appreciate yung mga ginagawa ko sa family.
I see that your love is strong now, but I'm confident that in the years to come, it will only grow stronger. Thank you and have a good night.
Alam ko naman sa dalawa is kung nagbe-benefit sila from each other sa kakulitan ni Shin, sa life goals minded centered ni Joy. So perfect talaga sila. Ayun, sabi ko lang, Shin, makinig ka kay Joy. Joy, ikaw na bahala kay Shin.